Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Coinbase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know Coinbase wallet address. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open your Coinbase account. On the home page, tap Send or Receive. Here, tap the Receive tab. The QR code and wallet address is shown. This is the wallet address for Bitcoin, and only Bitcoin can be received through this address. If you want to select other crypto, tap Asset and select the crypto you want. And that's how you know Coinbase wallet address. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.